Patitae Naro Supino. Sile Patitae Naro Supino. So says Lord Buddha. And Buddhism in India and Sri Lanka. My book. I thank dynamic researcher of tutorial building, Dr. I.N. Singh, now is professor and head of Department Studies, who had recommended my book to be placed in the reference library of the University of Time. And so here is research of His Lordship. These are Gavaisha statements. Samvidhan Sarvocha. Statement leader of Lord Buddha's word. Lord Buddha's word. Who says Patimok is jewel of Vinaya Pitaka. Patimok is jewel of Vinaya Pitaka. And he has not let anyone be successor after him. That only Patimok rules will guide the Sanghas. And so, today, Uposatha ceremony is celebrated everywhere in Sanghas on 14th moon day. And every monk on that in that Uposatha ceremony, they gathered and confess if they have done any mistakes, they themselves quit the Sanghas. And they quit them because morality is very important. Silepatha, morality, standing on the rock of morality, you can go up in life. Go everywhere, you can take birth and good birth, high birth. That is Silepatha and Uposatha. So, since ancient times, many kings had to heretics who were monks just for their pleasure, for luxury, but they were not conducting Uposatha ceremony. So Ashoka and all kings had to send the forces to keep them out. So Silepatha and so Patimok, the rules of Vinaya, and Baba Sahib was a American critic, English critic, PhD from there. So even today, I am a research associate of Professor M.T. Singh himself, who has PhD from University of Harvard, also here. And he had also project on federalism, University of Pennsylvania. Since 1994, I have been, and now he is trained, Mr. Rekha Satyanath, head of department, 191. So, as it is said that English had no constitutions, Indian constitutions, American had constitutions, and their constitution is very important, federal constitution, and says that Indian constitution, so mostly today's world, Americans' model of constitution is taken as model.
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन फेडरल नहीं है, फेडरल स्ट्रक्चर है.
Federal constitution of and so here as the federal Sangha of the Buddha and Patimok rules. So here is a Indian federal studies to research not American model or other model, but it is to research Buddhist model of federalism and Indian Buddhistry. So a great emphasis, even Professor Singh agreed with me that Indian, even Rishikesh Raj and particularly Patimok, on which Buddha had great emphasis and said jewel of Vinaya Pitaka. And he had not declared any after him, he had not declared any political successor as Govind Singh of at 10th Guru of the Sikh. He had not also declared his successor. He had said that Granth Sahib will be the successor, will be the guide to all. So here is the word of as reflected, but it is a matter of research. As Buddhism in India, even present house of Sri Lanka is called Tea Temple House.